If you want to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 on your iPhone or Android for free, honestly, there are now way more options than people had during previous World Cups, because in 2026, you can watch matches, highlights, replays, and official World Cup content directly from your phone using apps without needing traditional cable TV. So, in this video, I'll show you how to watch the World Cup 2026 on iPhone and Android for free, including official apps, free streaming options, highlights, and what actually say works in 2026. First, the most important app, FIFA Plus, because FIFA now has its own official streaming platform called FIFA Plus, available on iPhone, Android tablets, and browsers. And honestly, this is one of the best apps every football fan should install. Before the tournament starts, inside FIFA Plus, you can access official highlights, match replays, interviews, documentaries, and World Cup coverage completely free. Now to install, go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search FIFA Plus, then download the official FIFA app, and honestly, setup only takes about a minute. Now another huge option, Tubi, because Tubi launched a special FIFA World Cup Fox hub for the tournament directly inside the Tubi app. And honestly, this surprised a lot of people because some World Cup content and selected live matches are available completely free through the app, including highlights, World Cup shows, replays, and selected live coverage. Now to use it, download Tubi from App Store or Google Play, create a free account if required, and open the FIFA World Cup section. Now another thing many people don't know, YouTube is becoming a much bigger part of the World Cup experience in 2026 because FIFA has expanded official digital partnerships that include highlights creator, coverage, match previews, and selected free content on YouTube. And honestly, for many casual fans, YouTube may become one of the easiest ways to follow the tournament from a phone. Now let's talk about official broadcasters, because depending on your country, you may also have free apps from local broadcasters. For example, many countries provide free sports apps, public TV apps, or official broadcaster streaming during the World Cup. And honestly, this varies a lot depending on where you live. Now another very important thing, notifications, because apps like FIFA Plus can send alerts for goals, kickoff standings, and breaking tournament news directly to your phone. And honestly, that makes following the tournament much easier, especially if you're not able to watch every match live. Now, let's talk about streaming quality, because modern phones can now handle HD streams, 4K content, live highlights, and instant replays much better than older devices. And honestly, watching football on mobile in 2026 feels way better than it did years ago. Now something very important, avoid fake streaming apps, because every World Cup brings fake APK scam, apps, malware, and fake live stream websites. And honestly, many of them stop working right when the match starts. So stick to FIFA Plus official broadcasters, YouTube, and trusted streaming platforms. Now let's be honest for a second. Your smartphone might actually become your main World Cup device in 2026, because between FIFA Plus, Tubi, YouTube, and official broadcaster apps, you can follow almost everything directly from your pocket. So to wrap this up, to watch the World Cup 2026 on iPhone and Android for free, you should install FIFA Plus, download Tubi if available in your region, follow official World Cup content on YouTube, check your country's official broadcaster apps, and enable notifications so you never miss a match. Because honestly, watching the World Cup from your phone has never been easier than it is in 2026.